5:30 p.m. every day. It's time to do some shots. Babe, are you ready? I just started doing these yesterday, but if you numb your skin a little bit with ice roller, it helps a lot. He's a pro now.
Right? Yeah. Getting this cap off is like the fucking hardest part. Am I allowed to curse?
Yeah. Babe, my followers said to put it at a 90 degrees. Try to like keep it at a 90 degrees angle
like
the whole time.
This? Like 90 like this?
I don't know, she just said 90 degrees is like better.
Okay.
Just do it
Ready?
fast. Just don't even tell me you're doing it.
What?
Just... Ow! What the fuck?
That was 90 degrees.
Oh yeah, that hurts the most!
Okay, well blame
what
your follower
the
then.
fuck? Oh, that was really hard. Right.
Just kidding.
Just do what you did yesterday.
See, I think you're falling close to like, not like this down.
Says, thank you, babe.